Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto right here in VT markets. So if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know is create yourselves an account, go right here to the MetaTrader web trader, and then you can buy yourself crypto. Because right now we go here to symbols, go right here to cryptocurrency, and then from here you can decide right here which crypto you want to buy, and there is a lot. So let's say we want to buy XRP, so then we click on XRP, click on show, and then click on cross, and now scroll down here on your market watch list, and if you double click here on XRP to Ripple, we can buy it right there. And if you want to see it on the chart, just throw it to your chart, but let's double click on it, and now we are having here the order type. Then from now, we can select right here what we want to buy. Then here the volume, create a stop loss or a take profit. And now if you click here on buy by market, we just created ourselves a nice position on XRP. And that is crypto. So this is an example on how you can buy crypto right here on VT markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.